Hi guys! So karon guys, bagbara ko kauli guys, ikan ko nagkape outside. And i-share lang nako that ganiha nag-arrange ko sang akong mga gamit. Kay lagi mag-transfer ng imong auntie. So, as I was fixing my things, nakita na ko guys nga over 1 year, daghan kaayo blessing gihatag si Lord sa ako. Which, kanang wala bitaw kay nako napasalamati. Kanang murag underrated kaayo nga mga blessings. Like, kanang dapat jud ipagpasalamat ba. Pero, kining sobraan pud ta ka busy guys, malimot na tagpasalamat sa Ginoo, which is not good. Anyways, I am wearing my birthday gift from Swarovski. This one is like this. Nakachada ani guys, wait. Nakachada ani guys, tanawa na siya murag kon sa sulod kanang murag wheel ambot kanang lihok-lihok siya sa sulod guys, tanawa. Oh, ambot lang basta dili na ako ma-explain. Basta nice siya kay murag ka ng murag soft girl. Because I have a lot of necklaces already, and I have a lot of bracelets already. Pero kini siya guys, ang akong giganahan kay dili siya gold. So it is really crafted with special stones by Swarovski. So sometimes dili na to siya makita iya ang kuano kay lagi marag dili siya pero only those people who gets to see this will appreciate na iya ang value is higher than you expected, higher than the gold, because this one you cannot trade it, you cannot. But if you're gifted by Swarovski, someone nga Swarovski ang gipili, murag nalipay ko guys kay murag feeling na ako importante. Well, anyways, I have a lot of things to thank God for. And for 1 year I've stayed here, daghan kay kog na learn guys on my own. I've learned how to deal with anxieties, fears, and I learned how to manage my time. I've learned how to take care of myself, and now I am moving to the next level of my life where I am opening opportunities for me to have in the near future. So I'm really hoping that it will be the best decision that I will ever make. So today guys, suddenly good realizations that I'm really super blessed this year and last year. I'm really super blessed. Why? Because I came here, like I have only 1 bag of clothes. Now I am packing like 3 super jumbo boxes, balikbayan boxes, where oh my god, I thought, oh my god, it's just like yesterday where I asked God for a clothing because I don't have any, and now He is giving that to me, and I'm really super happy that I am being blessed with so much more than I have ever expected, and I can't thank God enough of it. I'm truly grateful for the things that He has given me, and I am truly grateful for what I have become right now, and I'm truly grateful for what's next in my life, and I'm truly hopeful that it's gonna be better days for me. It's gonna be a better options for me. It's gonna be a better job for me. It's gonna be a better year for me, inshallah. So I'm truly hopeful. My heart is hopeful because I know that God will sustain me, that God will provide for me, and that I will never be forsaken. I will never be abandoned by God because He is my Father. So I want you guys to know that just by thanking the Lord our God means a lot already to Him, because He is our Father. It's like your kid thanking you for giving them something. And I'm truly grateful that God gave me a life that I've only dreamt about before. Like, I was just asking God for this thing, and then it happened. Then I asked another thing, and it happened. The Lord really favored my life with blessings and grace. And I'm really truly happy that I came to a realization that my life is a manifestation of His goodness, and my life is a living testimony of His love and faithfulness to all of us. All we need to do is just pray, have faith, and trust Him, because He owns everything. And I wanted to surrender everything to Him. I wanted to surrender every detail of my life to Him, because I know that He is the planner of my life. He is the creator, and I am just His child. Yes, I can do better, but without Him, I am nothing. So, let us not forget that His divine grace will sustain us. Not our capabilities, not our strength. He is the one who will control everything. He is the source of everything. So guys, please do worship and love Him as He has loved us by His cross. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Be grateful.